Evening falls, and the street wakes up. A small cart, a big aroma. From a quiet soak overnight comes a bold stray. The pot opens, soft peas breathing steam. Oil sizzles, onions turn golden, spices whisper before they shout. A slow simmer, patience, pace, a gentle mash, just enough to thicken the tail. Then the magic touch, heat, thong, comfort, all in one ladle. This isn't just chaat. This is Odisha on a plate. Simple streets, deep flavors, one bite, and the story stays with you. Guguni chaat, where hunger meets home.
ಮಾಡು